Awesome. So, Deal 21, 2014 at Triple Threads Dual Box Break. And that's 12:27 Eastern Standard Time. Been going for 2 hours and 27 minutes straight up busting. I know. So, health coach, the fellas, Zeke's, Jimmy O, Mr. Clean, Party Crew, A. Miller, Mike, Sir Lancelot, Wally Radamosa, the fellas. So, let's see if we just can't pull something weird out of here. All right. Okay. Here we go. Dual box of Triple Threads. Come on. Let's get some. All right, Wes Welker out of $3.99. Demarius Thomas out of $3.99. Base of Clay Matthews. And then you got a base rookie auto relic Emerald Parallel of Devontae Freeman. So going to ATL T-Bag, you're up in it. There you go, buddy. Then you got a Mikey Evans 5 out of 75 going to Tampa Bay. Party Crew 007. There you go. That's just the first little mini box. You got 4 total mini boxes. 2 boxes master total. All right, Mike Glennon out of $1.99. Zach Ertz out of $3.99. Reggie Wayne base. LaShawn McCoy base. Pierre Thomas base. And then you got a Tom Savage 4 out of 50 going to Houston. So Bernie Lean, there you go, buddy. Tom Savage jersey auto 4 out of 50. Then you got DeMarcus Ware 19 out of 27 going to Dallas. So Sir Lancelot, there you go. DeMarcus Ware jersey, 19 out of 27. So nothing wild in the first box. Let's see what's in the next. All right. Get those out of here. All right, Gronkowski out of 99. Ryan Matthews out of 399. Andy Luck base. Sheldon Richardson base. JJ Swat base. Then he got a Austin Seferian Jenkins 2 out of 15. Why couldn't that have been Mikey Evans? Going to Tampa Bay, Party Crew 007. 2 out of 15. Austin Seferian Jenkins 3-color patch. 2 more jerseys on there. And then a Marquise Lee 14 out of 99 going to Jacksonville. So Party Crew back at it. All right, last little mini box here. Come on with it. Okay. All right, Aaron Rodgers out of 199. Drew Brees, 399. Stafford, Reggie Bush, Russell Wilson, Tom Savage again, 46 out of 99. Hey, Tom, get out of here, dude. What a nice hit going to Bernie Lean. 46 out of 99, Tom Savage jersey auto. Then a Pierre Thomas, 15 out of 36. Going to New Orleans. So Mr. Clean, 843. At least getting you on the board there, brother. 15 out of 36. So that's all she wrote for that little dual break. Nothing too wild, but still a couple more breaks for tonight.